Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video you will learn about custom values. I will show you how to create and use custom values in our CRM. So let's get to it. So first of all, navigate to settings and then click on custom values. Okay, so what are custom values? Custom values or merge fields are values you can put into a template that will auto-populate when generating communication with your contacts. They are a great way to save time by automating information so you can send out customized communication more quickly. For example, an email template could say, "Hey blank," and it would auto-populate the name of the contact. So Charlie would receive an email that says, "Hey Charlie," and Steve will receive an email that says, "Hey Steve." There are some custom values that are by default built into your system for most commonly used things like name, email, phone number, company, etc. So in this custom values tab, you can do several things. You can add, edit and delete your custom values here. Under this all values tab, you can view all of your custom values and their information. And if I click on these three dots, I can perform these actions. I can move a specific custom value to a folder. As you can see, this particular custom field is in the test folder. Every custom value has its own unique key and you can copy a key through here and then you can use that key in emails, funnels, etc. and its value will auto-populate. You can search for a specific custom value through the search bar, and if you see up here we have two buttons. You can create a new folder with this button for better management of your custom values. Let's say test folder, then click on create and it will be shown here in the folders tab. Now let's try creating a new custom value. Click on this new custom value button and then enter the name for the custom value. Let's say from name. It is for an email. Of course, we will see its use case in a bit. And then we have the value field. Enter the value for this custom value. Let's enter a name. Let's say John Smith. This value could also be a color code if you're gonna use it in funnels, or it could be a sentence or anything. And then here you can also select the folder for this custom value, and once you're done, click on create. As you can see that the custom value that we just created appeared here in the all values tab, and now let's see some use cases for custom values. Okay, so I'm in the workflow builder of our CRM and I have already created a new workflow that's going to send an email to the contact based on a particular tag. So first let's pull in an email action, and let's say I do not want this email to say hey there or hi there. I want their actual name in this email. So what I can do is click on this little icon here and it will give me the list of all the default custom values and also the custom values that I created in the custom values tab. Now click on contact, and from this list you can use the information that the contact has provided. Let's take the contact's first name from this list. You can see the unique key for the custom value and the contact's first name will auto-populate here. So now it will be like hey John or hey James, and then you can type in the rest of the message below. Okay, so now let's utilize the custom value that I created earlier. Scroll up and in the from name field, click on this icon, and at the bottom inside custom values we have our from name custom value. Now the question arises, what is the benefit of this? So let's say you are not using this custom value and you have been entering the names manually, and then all of a sudden you have to change the from name. Then you would have to go through all of the emails and change the names manually. It would be very time consuming. So what you could do instead is use this custom value, and you could change only the value for this custom value from the settings, and it will be changed everywhere where this shortcode is embedded. I hope that makes sense. Custom values can be very helpful in saving time and working efficiently. So yep, that's all for this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video.